Welcome to lesson 4 of programming using Kodu, and for this we're going to learn to create a combat game, and we're going to explore the use of sensors to develop a combat game using Kodu. So let's take you to Kodu, and we're going to create a new world, and I'm going to create a blank screen. And first of all, let's add some hills onto here. So let's make some hills and add some increased land around here. If we want to make it down, I can just right click or like so. So left click will make it go up, right click goes down. Like so. Okay. We can go to the hand and I can move around. And if I use the right mouse button, I can then turn it like so. I'm going to add a new character on here. So I'm going to add two here. So I'm going to put one over here, which is going to be my Kodu, which I'm going to move around. And I'm going to have another one over here for a cannon. Let's have a look for a cannon over here. So, first of all, let's go to our Kodu. And for this, I want to be able to move around the screen. So I'm going to click when, which is going to be always. I'm going to say do, move. I need to just change the when to being not always. I want it to be with the keyboard and the arrow keys. So when I press the arrow keys, then I move. So let's just test to see if this works. So I should now be able to move around the screen. It's quite slow, so let's just go back and just make him go faster on here. So let's just make him go quicker. If we want quicker again, we can do it 3 times. And so that should now make him move around the screen. If I just move this, there we are, move around the screen. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to our cannon, and we want the cannon to be pointing in the direction of our Kodu. So I'm going to right click on the cannon, program him, and what we want to do here, we want him to be pointing at our Kodu. So we want to be able to see, we want to have him see our Kodu, and we want the Kodu to be in the line of sight of our cannon. And then when he sees our Kodu, we want it to turn in the direction. So we want to turn towards him. Like so. And then, of course, when I see him, I then want him to, when I see him, and I'm going to have to do the same again, I'm going to have to repeat this. So when I see our Kodu in our line of sight, I want it to shoot at him. So I want it to shoot a missile in that direction. Like so. So let's just escape that and oh, let's try that again. And you're going to notice here when I do this, even if I move, it will always. Can you see the rocket, the missile is turning even when I move away, the missile is moving towards me. I don't want that. I want the missile just to be going straight, so it gives me a chance to dodge out the way. So I need to go back to our cannon and reprogram it, and this time I want it to go in direction. So I want to just go direction of forward because he's facing forward. It goes in direction forward. Let's play. And this time I'm moving. Oh, and this time I can dodge out the way of our missiles. And this time I got caught. So that's me. That's me able to dodge our little our character there. But again, you might want Kodu to be able to shoot in the direction of the cannon. So I'm going to again go to my object tool, right click on our Kodu. Oh, again, there we go. And I'm going to say when the keyboard is pressed, and this time the space bar. So I want the one of these down here. I think it's not the letters. Let's have a look which one it is. Symbols, maybe. Miscellaneous, there we go. And when I've done that, I want it to be able to shoot a missile. And so this time when I can dodge. Oh. And I can miss it. So there we are. I've done that one. So let's try again. Oh. And I can keep trying to keep trying to aim at the thing each time. Thank you very much for watching.